Welcome back to Zeus Cars. Today we're going to review the most talked about three-row SUV. Yes, that's right. The new 2026 Hyundai Palisade. A new SUV isn't the only thing the 2026 Hyundai Palisade is. It's a revolutionary improvement that further establishes the brand's dominance in the segment. When it comes to luxury, capability, and technology, Hyundai's flagship three-row SUV has reached new heights. With its new hybrid powertrain, plush interior, and rugged good looks, the second-generation Palisade is an audacious declaration of will. It has quickly become one of the most remarkable cars available, thanks to its exceptional design that works wonders in any situation. From dropping kids off at school to tackling tough off-road adventures, a more aggressive and confident appearance radiates luxury appeal and characterizes the redesigned exterior design of the 2026 Palisade. The futuristic parametric shield headlamps and broader, slimmer grille dominate the front end, giving it a unique and forceful identity. Sleek and technologically advanced, the new design incorporates vertical daytime running lights without a hitch. Thanks to its longer wheelbase and overall length, the new Palisade is bigger in every important way, making it more noticeable on the road and providing greater interior space for passengers. The third row is bright and airy thanks to the bigger panoramic side windows and bold D-pillars. The Palisade debuts the XRT Pro, an off-road variant for the very first time. Extra ground clearance of 1 inch, all-terrain tires, an electronic limited slip differential, ELSD in the back, and exposed red recovery tow hooks are all features of this trim level. The Palisade is visually and practically prepared for adventure with this. An innovative hybrid powertrain that sets new standards for the sector is Hyundai's crowning achievement in the most recent Palisade. With the help of 2 electric motors, a brand new 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine can generate up to 329 HP and 339 lb-ft of torque. An outstanding combined fuel economy, objective of 34 mpg, is achieved by this power plant, which also delivers remarkable performance. You won't have to worry about running out of juice anytime soon thanks to this hybrid system's astonishing 600-mile combined range on a single tank. It is the ideal travel partner for family outings thanks to its sturdy 4,000-pound towing capacity. As evidence of the Palisade's adaptable engineering, a newly built 3.5-liter V6 engine is available for individuals who prefer a conventional engine. It produces 287 horsepower and has a considerable 5,000-pound towing capacity. A premium living room facelift for the 2026 Palisade puts it on par with more costly SUVs in terms of comfort, technology, and luxury. A 2-screen, 12.3-inch display that combines the digital instrument cluster with an upgraded infotainment system takes center stage on the dashboard.